Hey guys, this is Robert and here's the package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Drift race car. Okay, it's 1:14 ratio, 2.4 gigahertz. Has lighting. Drifting RC car, 4x4. Here's some information. Same thing on this side, top, side. All right. See what's inside. Okay. The car here. Heard something come out. This loose screw here. Okay. It's plastic. Okay. The remote is plastic too. Okay. There's a screw here. Doesn't feel like there's batteries inside, so you need a screwdriver for it. There's the remotes. There's a pin. Oh, there you go. There's a screwdriver. With a screwdriver. Another screw, loose screw. Maybe it's replacement screws. They're the same size. Okay, we have a USB cable to charge the battery. Looks like it goes like this. Alright. There's the battery with one, maybe two. There's the instructions. Comes with one battery. Alright. You need to supply your own AA batteries. That's there's another pin. And then underneath, you lock it in. It's locked in here. That's you just latch. Okay. And then we have the compartment for the battery here. Adjusting which way your tires want to go. On and off switch. It's made in China. And some plastic wrap over it. You probably should take it off. And you can remove this here. And you can probably replace it if you want. That's what it looks like underneath. This is like one of those cheap China masks. Oh, not China mask. Halloween mask. Then we have different tires here. Excuse me. And then here's some cones. And that is it. That's a drift car. If you're interested in this car, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.